Hi guys, this is Juana from the Midnight Mouse and I have another unboxing here for you. This is an MSD Leekeworld BJD which I bought from the second-hand market, and I am so excited about her. It's one of my favorite dolls, the one that actually started my collection in a way, and by this I mean that I loved her sculpt so much, and especially her body, that I've started the BJD collection just to find one as her. Unfortunately, she was already discontinued and I was not able to get one, but hey, I got a bit of luck. Thank you so much, Cassidy, for this surprise. And yes, here she is. I had to open the package a bit for customs, so I had a sneak peek, but we'll open it properly together and see what's inside. I am so excited and so happy. No further ado, let's do this. Ooh. I'm so happy that she still has the original box. I don't mind the condition at all. I'm happy she has it. It's a piece of my collection as well. So yeah, here she is. Ta-da! She is gorgeous, you guys. Oh, she was sueded with hot glue. She needs a resuading, and I'll play a bit with her and see if I might need to restring her, but she's quite heavy, and since the pieces are not staying put together, I think I might resuade her and also restring her quite soon. I think she is Leekeworld Ashely, if I remember well, and it seems she is in normal skin. She is adorable. She is gorgeous. Look at her face up, you guys. I don't know exactly who painted her, but I love her eyes. I really do. Such a soft and sweet face. Oh, it's my dream come true. Oh God, I'm so happy. Okay, I would like to see her stiff, not kicking around, but this will be this week's project. I will clean her up a bit and she will be brand new. Like, we'll have a proper look later. So yeah, let's see what is inside. I see some cute extras and her certificate. I have another one from Valentina, but I have only the head. Oh, she's from 2014. Whoa, she does have an age. Okay, let's see. This is so cute. Oh, such a cute detail. Oh my God. I had a peek over this dress when I opened the package, and I was so excited to see it in detail. She is so pretty and cute. I will dress her up. Oh wow. Wow, this cardigan is amazing. So soft. Oh, and it has an embroidery. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cassidy. And her wig. Oh, I did not expect this. Oh, let's get her dressed. We'll use the pillow. I think she looks really nice with gray eyes. So yeah, gray and half brown. These are 16 millimeters, the brown ones, and perfect. We shall have eyes. This is her with brown eyes. I think her name will be Cassia. Cassia has brown eyes, and let's see her wig. This wig is so beautiful. Yeah, she definitely needs a bit of restringing. Well, she's so sweet. And let's try this little dress on her. I think she's so sweet. I really love her face up. I'm quite curious who's the artist. I will try to find out. Yeah, so here she is, my little blondie Cassia. I'm in love with her. I really am. I'm so grateful for Cassidy reaching me and asking if I would like her, if I would like to have her. Thank you so much. She's amazing. She's my baby and she will never leave me. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see each other again in the next videos. I would like to clean her a bit, to change the elastic, and also to redo the sueding, and we'll do this together. Thank you, guys. Bye.